Are you thinking about buying the ChillWell AC? Before you get too excited, let's take a closer look at what it really is and whether it lives up to the hype. The ChillWell is marketed as your personal oasis, a portable air cooler that promises to instantly chill your space using something they call Insta-Frost technology. According to their claims, it's a combo of an evaporative cooler and humidifier with multiple fan speeds, a rechargeable battery, and a lightweight, easy-to-carry design. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the thing. Many buyers are finding that dream quickly turns into disappointment. Let's start with the basics. ChillWell isn't actually an air conditioner. It's an evaporative cooler, also known as a swamp cooler. That means it uses water and airflow to create a cooling effect, which is only mildly effective in dry environments and nearly useless in humid conditions. If you live somewhere like Nevada or Arizona, you might feel some benefit if you sit right in front of it, but in places with high humidity, it can make things feel even more sticky and uncomfortable. The cooling range is also tiny. We're talking point it right at your face small. It won't cool a room no matter how cleverly the ads are worded. And while it says the rechargeable battery can last up to 4 hours, many users report it barely holds a charge for an hour, if that. Plus, if you want extended use, you need to plug it in and constantly monitor the water level because there's no alert when it runs dry. And then there's the price. Sites are charging over $100 for this device, but the exact same model is available wholesale for under $10. That's a massive markup. On top of that, the replaceable cartridge inside, it needs to be changed every 1 to 3 months, and that's not something they highlight until you open the box. Surprise expenses like that make it feel less like a good deal and more like a money pit. Customer reviews are a mixed bag. While the official site is flooded with glowing praise, other places like Amazon tell a different story. Many users describe it as underpowered, noisy, wet, and barely functional unless you sit right next to it. Some even say it's like having a wet fan pointed at your face, not exactly the refreshing breeze they were promised. Worse, there's no transparency about who makes this product. There's no clear contact info, and many buyers struggle with returns or refunds, so if it doesn't work or never arrives, you could be out a lot of money with nowhere to turn. In the end, ChillWell might be okay for a very specific use case, like a desk fan in a dry climate. But for most people, it's not worth the price, the hassle, or the misleading marketing. If you're looking for real cooling power this summer, your money's probably better spent elsewhere.